After filling our tummies with an authentic Thai dish, we headed to one of their most visited amusement parks.
This huge structure measures more than 10,000 square meters and it has more than 500 species of fish. And this is not only for entertainment purposes but also for education.
And this is also perfect for family bonding.
That's good. Let's explore inside.
Itong Sea Life Bangkok Ocean World ay isa sa dinarayo ng mga turista. Ito ang itinuturing na pinakamalaking amusement water park sa buong Southeast Asia. Mula sa maliliit hanggang sa pinakamalaking isda ay makikita dito. Maging ibang marine creatures gaya ng crabs, seahorses at turtles ay narito.
Oh, ay, ito yung malaking pating. Oh, yan. Ay, siyang totoo nga. Ang lalaki ng ngipin. Grabe yung ngipin niya.
Another highlight of the experience is a boat ride in the largest tank of the facility. Its glass bottom enables you to take a look at the best species of fish, sharks, and stingrays swimming obliviously.
Right now, we are the biggest tank of Sea Life Bangkok Ocean World. For this tank, we contain by real sea water about 3 million liters.
Wow!
Okay, you can see the shipwreck.
Hindi naman tayo dadambahin yung mga shark.
For the customer, you can see, if you look at this side, this big one we call giant sea grouper.
Oh, that's the shark.
Yeah, leopard shark.
This experience is a big relief from our usual travels. For once in our life, this kind of adventure allows us to be kids again. More importantly, it educates us how vast and rich our planet is.
Enjoy mo?
Oo, enjoy ko. Kaya lang medyo nalulungkot ako, naalala ko yung mga apo ko.
So I'm sure marami pa tayong mas may enjoy na lugar dito sa Thailand.
Yes.
And iko-continue pa natin yung ating journey together.